Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic 208 in the Tech Edition specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange and it's only done 3,000 miles. This car has the ability to self-park, but also features 16-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the 7-inch touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. If this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.